In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Lisa from The Simpsons, and I'll show you how to color the drawing at the end of the video. So stick around until the end, because today's content is amazing. Hey there artist, I'm Ledy, and in this video, we're going to draw Lisa Simpson. All you need to do is copy the lines to bring the drawing to life. And don't forget to give it a like, it really helps the channel a lot. Let's start by drawing the eye. Next, the nose. Now comes the other eye. We can draw the pupils. Now comes the mouth. And we can draw the chin. Now comes the ear. Now let's draw the neck. Add some details. And we can draw the hair. Let's add the eyelashes. Let's draw the necklace. Now, the arm. Then the hand. We can draw the dress. Now comes the leg. then the shoe, now comes the other leg. Then the shoe, let's color the skin, the skirt, the shoes. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.